Hi, my name is Becky Benner-Carr and I am a Creative Memories independent consultant, and I just want to take a look at the next 2 weeks. They have their digital artwork promotion going on, and if you have pictures on your phone or on your SD card on your camera, it is time to get those memories, those stories told. And I just want to go over some quick ways on how to do that. So with this promotion, you need to spend $30, at least $30 on digital artwork, or you can do the custom product. Their custom product, what they have there is they create the pages for you, the pages in books. However, for me, it's a little pricey. So what I have done is I look at the digital art kits. So they have papers that you can use, and then they have sort of like the stickers, the mats for the back of the pictures or little sayings that you can use. My favorite is their digital Sparkle and Shine. And what you get with that are all these different papers for your backgrounds. And then you have these embellishments or stickers that you can use on your pages. Now there's several ways that you can use these once you've bought them. Once you buy them, what will happen is you will get a download that you can save to your desktop. And then what I would suggest is I would put it somewhere that you can access on your phone as well as your computer. That way, with your phone, if you have a collage program, you can also use those backgrounds for your collages and then save them as your background for your camera, for your computer, send them around with your text. And that's just a suggestion of one way to use those backgrounds. So that was the Sparkle and Shine background there. Another way is to download software. If you are not familiar with forever.com, they do have it has a great app that allows you to save your pictures from your phone to the forever storage, which is a lifetime guarantee. They also have their own online design, and they have software. Software is a little pricey, but the things you can do with it is pretty awesome. So for instance, here is a Sparkle and Shine page that I use with my son Alex's winter formal pictures. So I have the background, I have the stickers, I have the story for that, along with his pictures. Now say you didn't want to create something like this, or you say, how do you create a book like this? So what I did and have done is I would export these as your JPEGs, and then I upload mine to Shutterfly, which often has some great deals on photo books. So for instance, here was my mother-in-law's photo book from last Christmas. And I created it all with that software, all with the digital packages. And then I printed it off with a coupon for a very good price. So that is one way to use the software and get your stories told. All right, let's see if I can get back to the pointer pen. All right, I don't want the pencil tool. Sorry about that. Sometimes the free software has those quirks. So exiting out of this example, the other thing I want to show you is how you can use these are JPEGs, or how to use these small stickers in Shutterfly. directly in Shutterfly. So maybe that's the easier way to do it. So if you go to edit a photo book, all right, so again, here is a photo book. I have added pictures of the different JPEGs for the papers. So that is a background. And then you have to add photo areas to get the mats and the stickers. So here's another example of creating a page for my sons. Again, it's the same thing as the winter formal. However, I was only able to do rectangle square pictures, your photos, but I was able to build from the background to the mat, added the text, and then included the pictures there. And that's pretty much all I could do. I could add a little sticker if I wanted to down here in the center. So I do have it down here in my photos. And then that just gets put there. And because the stickers are kind of small, that's the size you're looking for. So that's an example of building a page with your backgrounds, your photos, and text. So again, how do you do that? So starting off here, I am going to choose just one page, one picture, and that's what I start from. So I am going to create a page of a Christmas date. It was Irish music, Irish Christmas music at our local theater. So I will enter in that beautiful background. And excuse me, I think I'm also going to add a mat to one of our pictures. And I have 3 pictures for this. So let me add that mat. And then on top of that, I am going to put a picture. And then another picture here. And I could probably just duplicate that one. Line them up and then add a text box for a title. And then add another text box for the story. And then I build it. So entering in my pictures. Double click for that and get our full faces and heads. And then here, oops, same picture. We don't need the entire building. And then finally, the Eichelberger. So here, and then again, you type in and adjust it as much as you want with the different text there. They do have some standard colors. See, I'm used to matching it. That's not gonna do well. But you get the idea. Not like I am going to keep this page. And then here is a story of my date night. Of our date night. Date afternoon, it was even a night. So that's one way to build the page. And if you wanted to add a sticker, remember they are small. And they will have that white background for this. So that's kind of disappointing, but it does get your memories on pages and easy and quick way to print them out. So please take a look. They have some great kits that they are pulling from the archives. So I have to say my favorite ones, they have a lot of baby albums. So if you have a baby album that you haven't gotten to, check that out. They have some good good backgrounds for Christmases, for snowy days, for travel. They even have the Sparks of Magic if you're going to Disney, or the fall pictures. The limited time ones are the ones that will disappear, probably till next year. So please make sure to check out this great deal. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you very much for watching this 12-minute video, and I hope it was helpful.